dear student, please subscribe my channel and press like and share button. Thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best. Here we discuss about true or false. Oxymercuration, demercuration is anti-Markovnikov reaction. False. Why? Because oxymercuration, demercuration follow Markovnikov rule, adding OH group attaching to the more substituted carbon of the alkene double bond. Okay. Now in this case, second, is it carbocation intermediate and rearrangement occur in alkoxymercuration and demercuration? No, not at all. False. Correction, no carbocation is formed, neither rearrangement takes place, whether it is alkoxymercuration demercuration or oxymercuration demercuration. Remember, no carbocation is formed, and there are formation of mercurinium ion which is having 3-membered ring. Okay, 3-membered intermediate, 3-membered cycle we can say intermediate will be there, and mercurinium ion will be obtained, leads to attack of nucleophile. In case of alkoxymercuration, ethanol. In case of oxymercuration, water. The more substituted carbon, which is the hallmark of the Markovnikov rule. What does it mean? Ethanol attached to the least substituted carbon. Okay. Now, is this oxymercuration anti-addition? Yes, true. Why? Because they are on the opposite side. Here, anti-addition means nothing related to anti-Markovnikov rule. It is just related with the whether the H and OH which are added to the double bond are on the same side or on the opposite faces. So they are on opposite faces. That is why we call it anti-addition. But Markovnikov rule, Markovnikov addition is followed. Clear? That is difference we should know about. Okay. So when they are on the opposite side, then only we call it anti-addition. H and ethanol nucleophile are added to opposite faces, so anti-addition. Clear to you? This very important thing you must remember. Then hydroboration oxidation syn addition. Yes, true, because it occurs here. Reason why it is true, because hydroboration proceeds through a cyclic 4-membered ring. Oxymercuration 3-membered ring is obtained, 3-membered intermediate. In case of hydroboration oxidation, 4-membered intermediate occur form where two reacting atoms are held in the place, ensuring the add from the same side. Okay, this is reacting atoms, so they are attacking to the same sides. What does it mean? Hydroboration oxidation syn addition, catalytic hydrogenation syn addition. Here metal catalyst adsorb the metal hydrogen, and so